Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Right guys, today's video we'll be looking at an area of a circle. Okay, so we'll be looking at how to find the area of a circle. So in our last video we looked at the circumference of a circle. So circumference we said was just the distance around the circle. So it's just a special name of saying the word perimeter. Okay. And in today's video, guys, we'll be looking at an area of a circle. Right, guys, if you're new to my channel, actually, my name's Abdallah Wahishi, and I'm a private maths tutor and a qualified teacher for secondary maths. Okay, make sure, obviously, to subscribe, actually, if you're new, and then drop the video a like. Okay. Right, guys, okay, so let's get on with today's video. Right, so a area of a circle, actually, so the formula is, area of a circle is equal to pi r squared, okay, so that's how we go. So pi, remember, is just a constant, so pi is an irrational number, actually, so it's roughly 3.141592, and so on, okay, so it goes on forever, okay. Okay, that's my circle, guys. Okay, so just a quick little like overview actually. So my radius is from one point of the circle to the center. Diameter is from one point of the circle to the other point of the circle. Okay, through the center. A chord is a diameter not through the center. That's what a sector looks like. Okay, so it's a sector which it will actually link to like today's video actually, because we're looking at areas of sectors here and like length of arcs here in the coming videos. Okay, and then that's what I call a segment, guys. Okay, so that's what I call a segment. Okay, right guys, so radius is r, d is diameter. So remember guys, diameter is twice the radius actually. So if you're interested, radius is half of diameter. Diameter is twice the radius actually. So if you're ever given a context where you are given either the radius or diameter and asked to work out the other variable, then you can just rearrange this actually appropriately to work out what it is you want. Okay. So the area of a circle, guys, is pi times r squared. So pi times r squared. So r squared means r times r. So pi times r times r. Okay, or for those of you that are a bit interested actually, it's pi times d squared over 4 actually, because if we sub in r is equal to d over 2 actually into here, okay, it will be actually the same answer. But we'll just stick to pi squared actually, obviously, because I don't want to confuse you with this actually, okay? So we'll just stick with obviously pi r squared. Right, guys. Okay, so 4 examples, obviously, for like today's lesson. Right, guys, example 1, actually. So we've got radius of 5 here. We are asked to work out the area. So it's going to be pi times 5 squared. Remember, so r equals 5, so I sub in 5 into there. Pi times 5 squared, so it's going to be 25 pi squared centimeter squared. So remember, area is going to be centimeter squared, or like units squared, obviously, depending on which units we're using. Okay, which is approximately 78.54 centimeters to 2 decimal places. So that's how I work out that one, guys. Right, guys, example 2. Okay, r is equal to 16, actually, find the area. Okay, so sub in again, pi times 16 squared, pi times 256, which is 256 pi centimeters squared, which is 804.25 centimeters. Okay, so remember, guys, sometimes the question might ask you for like an exact answer. If it's the exact answer, you would leave the pi, obviously, because obviously pi is obviously a constant, actually. A pi is obviously a number that goes on forever. So that would actually be my exact value. And then this is what I call my numerical or my estimated, like obviously answer to the question, okay? Okay, right, guys, example number 3. Find the area. So it's pi times 4 squared. So it's going to be pi times 16, which is 16 pi centimeters squared, which is 50.27 centimeters to 2 decimal places. Okay, so I've been rounding my answers, guys, here to 2 dp. 2 decimal places, okay, or 3 significant figures, depending on the nature of the question, but they will always tell you that in the exam. Okay, example number 4, guys. Area, okay, so we are told that the area is equal to 49 centimeters squared, and we're asked to find out what r is. Okay, so we have to rearrange this formula here. So a equals pi r squared, so I have to rearrange it actually. So I have to divide both sides by pi. Okay, and then take the square root actually, because the opposite of squaring something is to take the square root, guys. So r is equal to square root of a over pi, yeah, the area over pi is actually obviously plus or minus actually, yeah, obviously root of it, but we don't have to worry about the negative actually, because obviously for this context our answer has to be positive or yeah, or zero, okay. Yeah, for this context, obviously, yeah, the area cannot be a negative. Okay, so I sub in 49 into here, so it's going to be 49 divided by pi square rooted equals r, which gives me an answer of 3.95 centimeters to 2 decimal places. Okay, so that's how I work out that. Okay, right, guys. Yeah, I hope that was clear, guys. Actually, yeah. I'll put like a little point here actually. Yeah, so angles around the point actually, yeah. Or in a circle adds up to 360. That's gonna link to when we looked at like area of actually sectors actually. Yeah. So obviously keep an eye on that, yeah, on that point actually, yeah, and try to remember that statement. Angles around the point actually, yeah, adds up to 360, or yeah, or angles in a circle add up to 360. That will link to when we start looking at areas of sectors, okay, in the coming videos. Okay, right, guys. Last few points actually here. Please do obviously check out like Maths Genie, okay, Primus Kitten, Corbett Maths Chelsea actually, yeah, and then one's called Haggerty Maths Chelsea actually, yeah, that's like a recent like YouTube channel actually that has actually opened recently, okay. So yeah, obviously, yeah, check that person out actually, and also subscribe to the channel if you can, okay. And I believe obviously Cobb Maths actually, yeah, is brilliant actually. So Cobb Maths has videos on all topics, okay, and worksheets actually, yeah, worksheets and past papers obviously for the higher foundation, okay. And also like primary level maths actually. So if you're looking for primary, check out that actually. And Primus Kitten actually, yeah, that is really good actually for GCSE maths, A level maths, yeah, and science actually as well actually, and like many other subjects actually, yeah, other than maths. Okay. Right, guys, thank you for watching actually, yeah. Please do obviously subscribe, yeah, if you're new, okay. Drop the video a like actually, and enable notifications, okay. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching, guys, actually, yeah. But please stay safe, guys, actually. Please stay at home, like, if you can, okay. And I hope everyone's doing okay, actually, and I hope everyone's well-being and the mental health, actually, yeah, is well and safe, okay. I hope everyone's doing okay, okay. So stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching, okay, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye now.